Hi, my name is Matthew Goldman. My partners are Logan Battle and Tristen Lee. Our project is investigating the effects of regrinding on properties of glass fiber reinforced polyamides. This is a comparative study. The premise of this project is RTP, the material supplier, sent us two different PA6s, one with the new flat glass fibers and one with the industry used round glass fiber. The difference between those are the cross-sectional geometries. We compared those two over stages of regrind by looking at the mechanical properties and looking at resin and glass fiber related characterization.
Overall, first we looked at the mechanical properties for this project. We looked at the tensile properties using a modulus. Overall for this, we saw that the round fibers actually had a higher modulus overall than the flat fibers. As far as the impact strength, we saw that the flat fibers had a higher impact strength compared to the round due to the surface area of these flat fibers being larger. Looking at some of the resin related characterization, as far as FTR, we did notice that through generations regrind, there was not a major difference at all. And then if there was a difference, it was basically due to the glass fiber change. As far as DSC, we did notice that crystallization occurred at a faster rate. And then we also ran capillary rheometer testing. With this, we overall just noticed that the flat fibers had a lower viscosity, about 100 Pascal seconds less.
So continuing on in the bottom right on the poster here is a chart that was given to us by one of our project sponsors, the Madison Group, and this is looking at the fiber length of the glass fibers. A couple key takeaways we had from this is that the flat fibers were much longer than the round fibers, about double the length. And also when regrinding occurred, both fibers saw a significant reduction in length, also around 50%. This is significant as the fiber length is believed to be one of the contributing factors in the material's properties. So in conclusion, through our testing, we do not believe that the flat fibers consistently show superior properties than the round. Comparing the regrind, both resins saw a reduction in strength with regrinding, and it was typically done at a similar rate. So one cannot definitively be said to have superior regrinding properties than the other. And also reductions in properties were caused by glass fiber length change more than the resin change, and that was the biggest driving factor behind differences. So some acknowledgements. We'd like to thank Mr. Brian Young, Mr. Bradley Johnson, and Mr. Joshua Lutz for assistance with processing during this project, and also Eric Foles and Steve Brenna, who are our project sponsors.